So great to have you. Congratulations, firstly, that you got such a good rank. So, which NL
Thank
you
you so much,
finally?
ma'am.
Which NL you finally?
Ma'am, NLU Delhi.
Amazing. So, one thing that you would want to tell the 2021 aspirants that CLAT 2020 has taught you.
CLAT 2020 has taught me a lot of patience, perseverance, uh, never to leave hardworking, and uh, there might be any situation like many wrong things happening, but don't lose self-confidence and be confident, and you will achieve great heights.
So true that you must maintain self-confidence even in spite of exam getting postponed so many number of times. I think confidence is something that has helped you guys to, get where you all wanted to get after all this struggle. So,
Yes, ma'am.
how did you, so, for the upcoming students, how did you go about preparing for GK? I think one subject which kept on constantly haunting everyone because each time the exam was delayed, the timeline, and one subject which was increasing was just the GK content to be studied. So how did you prepare for GK? If you could, highlight that for the students. How did you go about preparing?
uh, Ma'am, firstly, like we used to get the months from Career Launcher. So I used to study that, like just getting the idea ki at least what are the main themes that I should study. Then, uh, then secondly, I used to refer to News Canvas. You have a great detailed content. So we used to get like a comprehensive outlook of every topic. Then once I studied, then revising is the key. How many times more you revise, more you get the knowledge.
Correct. So, did you end up following the schedule with respect to GK when it came to revising? Did you end up following the schedule, or you were the way you were doing it?
No, I used to follow my own schedule with respect to the months that I was getting from Career Launcher. But yeah, definitely the schedule that you were giving us on a daily basis, I used to follow that for revising my News Canvas GK.
And when it came to newspaper reading, what are your thoughts there? You think reading once kind of would help the students a lot when it comes to attempting the kind of questions that came in GLAD finally?
Yes, ma'am, definitely, because being the comprehensive pattern and the GK that actually showed up in CLAT 2020, it was not just fact based, but yeah, you need to have a comprehensive idea about that whole scenario, that whole thing that is happening. So, definitely in the newspaper section, I would recommend that editorial reading is must, and it will help you a lot in not just memorizing the facts but understanding the overall situation.
Correct. So when it comes to editorial reading, would you did you actually maintain a list of events that you would want to focus on, or was it, let's read whatever is coming your way? This is very important for a lot of 2021 students who are now trying to actually study across. Do you actually say that okay, this is the list that I want to focus on, or you kind of go through all of it that is coming your way? How did you channelize that?
As we can see in the CLAT 2020 paper, the GK events that turned up in the paper, that were majorly the common events. We cannot say that they were the like something out of the box something.
Right.
So I think the list that you would give us of the major important events and the additional list that you gave us, so I would read about them. And yeah, if afterwards I felt ki no, I still have time and I can read something more, then I used to do that.
Got it. So very essential that you essentially maintain a list so that it helps revising, right? You said revision is the key. How many times did you ended up revising whatever you studied in GK?
Ma'am, at least 4 to 5 times
That's
till the exam.
yeah.
Yeah, because we definitely got a longer period, 3 to 4 months than the usual year. So yeah, 4 to 5 times I ended up reading my whole GK material.
Perfect. Can you just highlight, in one or two lines how News Canvas has actually helped you in your GK preparation?
Actually, News Canvas has given the most important thing, that is the GK section, because I think uh, English, logical reasoning, legal, that is more of an English paper. You understand the passage and then you answer the questions. But I think what gives you an edge over other students is the GK section. So News Canvas has definitely helped a lot in that. And in newspapers and every other websites, we get bits like scattered over here and there. But yeah, News Canvas used to compile all these things and give us at that one place, so we could revise and do a complete comprehensive review of all the things that we can expect in the paper. And yeah, definitely I think majority of the things that turned in CLAT paper were already that things we have learned in News Canvas.
Thank you so much, Kalpatru, and we wish you all the very best in your new journey that you're starting, and all
Thank you
the
so
very
much,
best
ma'am.
for the new beginning.
Thank you so much, ma'am.